So we have finally reached our destination for today, and that is none other than Housapet Junction in Karnataka. Now we will slowly progress towards our destination, main destination, Hampi ruins and Vijayanagar kingdom. So the Hampi ruins are special for two reasons for me at least. First one is it is associated with the Vijayanagar kingdom, that is the King Krishna Deva Rai and his jester Tenali Rama. There's a cartoon show which aired on Cartoon Network when I was a young boy, similar to Akbar and Birbal, named Tenali Rama, which I enjoyed very much. And second of all, it is also associated with the Kiskinda mountains from Ramayana. Let's see what's more this place has in store for us.
वो करना चाहती ग्राइंड मैं भी बैठा मस्ती में खड़ी है बिहाइंड तो फिर आग लगी बस्ती में बेबी आर यू फाइन सिप करूं वाइन तू तो इतनी हॉट है मैं क्रॉस करूं
सही जाए ना सही जाए ना सही जाए ना.
We have reached our destination, that is Island Vibes Hampi Resort, and it's really quite interesting to relive the nostalgia of living in cottages, because last time we stayed in a resort in a cottage was at Chitwan Forest in Nepal. It's really living up to the vibe here.
सही जाए ना
So I'm now trekking the Anjandri hill at Hampi. At the top of it, there is a Hanuman temple, as we can all see, and I have just crossed 300 steps. Don't know how long I have to walk. And let me tell you, it's not an easy task. That's the view behind me, and this is the view in front of me.
सह ना सकूं आवाज दे के मुझे तू दे जा सकूं ये खामोशियां ये सह ना सकूं आवाज दे के मुझे तू दे जा सकूं. सही जाए ना जाए ना सही जाए ना सही जाए ना अधूरा हूँ मैं अब तेरे बिना अधूरी मेरी जिंदगानी रह जाएगी.
So we are at the Badami Caves, which is the land of Cholas and Chalukya dynasties. Lot of inscriptions made in the rocks.
सही जाए ना, सही जाए ना। हर राह में तू आए नजर, कटता नहीं अब अकेले तन्हा सफर। हर राह में तू आए नजर, कटता नहीं अब अकेले तन्हा सफर।
Of these temples are based on Lord Shiva, and today this is the last spot we are visiting, that is the Aihole temples belonging to the Cholas, Chalukyas and the Rashtrakuta dynasties. So after that we will be returning to our hotel, and tomorrow we will be doing the checkout and visiting some crucial places. See you for the day.
सही जाए ना, सही जाए ना, सही जाए।
So in front of me is the architecture of the Vijay Vittal temple. We have traveled from Kishkinda to Vijayanagara in Hampi. So you can check the view here. You can see this is the same inscription with Hampi written on it in Vijay Vittal temple, and that is the architecture here. So in the Malaprabha valley, that is Badami, Pataddikal and Aihole, we have seen the temples of Lord Shiva and Lord Durga, and here we are visiting the temples of Lord Vishnu.
सही जाए ना। आंखें मेरी मुझसे कहे, चेहरे से तुम्हारे हटके कैसे।
I am at Hosapet station right now, and we are about to leave for Hyderabad. Let's review this the whole Hampi Hospet place. So if you are like a photogenic person, I suggest you to bring a tripods and do a proper 360-degree view of the place due to the ruins available here. And overall, like you can get a scenic beauty of all the ruins while you are traveling. For example, the Kishkinda and Vijayanagara, and there are also numerous temples available. So this place is pretty underrated because I am here on the weekends also, like today is Sunday. So I'm not seeing that many boarders here. So yeah, that marks the end of our journey. Good night, and if you are watching this video, do subscribe my channel and share this video. Bye.
लफ्ज़ भी